Hi, this is Mike at Rockland County Computer Repair with the ultimate in gaming computers. This thing is awesome. 1200 watt power supply, 2 video cards, and liquid cooled processor. It has maybe 12 plus fans keeping it cool, and it needs it because this thing is running an i7 at like 3.4 gigs with 32 gigs of RAM. Its Windows experience is 7.6, which is really good. This thing is super fast. It was a pleasure to work on this one. I wish I had one myself. The ultimate in gaming computers. Thanks for watching.